So, hi everyone. This is my AI engineer assessment project, a multi-tool LLM agent. It interprets complex natural language tasks and select tools intelligently and execute the subtask autonomously. And let's see the agent design architecture, just an overview of it. So let's look into the agent.py file. Uh, yep. So as you can see in this file, my agent follows a modular architecture. The core components are a task planner, which breaks down user instruction into subgoals, a tool router, task planner, a tool router, which chooses the correct tool based on the task, a memory module to store and recall past interactions, an LLM interaction handler, which communicates with the language model and interprets its output. So these components interact. I'll show you the basic architecture. Uh, yep. So all these components, they interact to process input, plan execution, choose tools, and return results, all without manual intervention. Now we'll move on to the demo. So for the demo, we'll open our terminal and we'll open our project folder. Then we'll activate the virtual environment. Then we will open our app. So now, first we will try out the calculator. So I will ask the calculator, uh, calculate 123.5 plus 456.7. Let's see the result. So the response is 580.2, which is true. Now I will move on to the code executor part. So for logic-based prompts, the agent invokes the Python code executor to run code securely and returns the result. So for this, I'll be writing run this Python code A equals to 5. I'll enter a line break slash and B equal to 10. Then again a line break and C equal to A star B. So let's run the agent. See, and it gives us the value of A equal to 5, B equal to 10, C equal to 50. So now I will open the web search. Sorry, not open, I'll try the web search out. So if a task requires external information, the web search tool is used to gather and summarize the data. So for it, I'll give the prompt. I'll write search web key features announced in OpenAI GPT 4 Turbo. So let's run the agent. See, it gave us the result that GPT-4 in November 2023. OpenAI announced that GPT-4 Turbo and GPT-4 Turbo with vision model, which features a 128K context window at a cheaper pricing. So yeah, so now let's look into the final functioning of the tool, which will be to summarize a PDF. So for this, we'll browse files and go to downloads. We'll give it, let's see this. Let's give it the AI engineer assessment. So, and for the prompt, I will have to write a summarize this PDF document. Let's run the agent. So see, it gave us a summary. This document's outline this assignment for AI generated with LLM, multi-LLM tools. The object is to, yeah, so as you can see here. So now these tools work in harmony and selected autonomously by the agent based on prompt type, making it flexible and extensible. So yeah, thank you so much for watching.